Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy Miguel back with another video. This video is gonna be probably like a solo POV video. None of the boys are with me right now, and I'm just gonna do a little bit of road driving, a little bit of highway driving today. I'll probably have you guys on top of my head. That way, you know, you can see what I'm seeing and whatnot. We did cop the Corvette, so let me know what videos you want to see with it. Get started with this POV real quick. Don't have the seatbelt on, but I gotta put the seatbelt on. I want to get some pictures right here. You see how nice this looks? Just the car parked right here, or a little towards the back and whatnot. But yeah. The only thing that sucks is when you're in the car, you can't bump no music and you're recording a YouTube video. So you kind of got to drive in silence. Do a lot of the talking, you know. Talk by yourself. A subscriber taught me that. Just double tap the drive more button and it'll put you in your custom settings. So shout out to him. I forgot what his name was in the YouTube video, or in the YouTube comments. Nice JT. Before the Charger, before the Fiesta, we were Jeepers, so a JT, a nice lifted JT is always nice. Stock, when they first came out, they were ugly, but you know, you lift them, put some big tires on them, man, they look sexy as fuck. I'll do a little pull here for you guys. I don't get the best miles per gallon in this car, obviously, by the way I drive, which you guys can see in the YouTube videos. I don't drive the most fuel efficient, I guess is what you call it, but it's whatever. You gotta be careful around here because this is downtown area, so there's a lot of police over here sometimes. I do get the SCAT pack loaded a little bit, bro. I got dog food in the back, toilet paper, water. It's a little heavy right now, but you know, it's a beautiful day outside. I don't even know, it's just 72 outside, 75 outside. I would lower the windows, but then you get a lot of wind noise. Let's go. I would say, oof, why they both move over? Police. Let's go this way. I want to say we're skipping a little bit of the traffic, but we'll hop on the highway a little bit. It's a little windy road. That lady is mad. She is mad. She's like, what the fuck is this motherfucker doing? And she has all rights. All rights. I should go over there. Oh, it's fucking pothole. Bro, why do they got like 10 exercise bikes outside? What the fuck? That house is messed up. I don't know what's... So that's the highway. I didn't want the air on, but the GoPro's overheating, so I gotta turn the air on. Hopefully it's not too loud for you guys. Or let's see if we can do it this way. Hold on. know if you guys can tell, but I had to switch over to the phone. The GoPro was overheating for some reason, bro. I don't know why, but they tend to do that. But anyways, we haven't caught anybody. Woo! Tripping a little bit, bro. That man almost hit me. The guy in the van. Camaro. Should have taken some exit. Stepping a little bit. We're just cruising right now. We're just cruising. I haven't uploaded a video for you guys, so it's been a minute. So I was like, you know what? Let me just record a little POV video for you guys. Fucking pothole, bro. That shit hurt my soul. I was like, you know what? Let me record a little POV video for you guys. Let me push something out. We've been thinking about doing something with the Corvette. Let us know what you guys want to see done on the Corvette, and we might just do it. Top speed is 130. I don't think we're hitting 130 right now. Let me not cover up the speedometer for you guys. I like shooting in 0.5 because it looks better. You can see the steering wheel. And this bitch is driving like her and her shitty ass minivan. Like earlier she almost hit me trying to move over to my side or to my lane. Little Mustang. Tesla, I love Teslas, but the only thing is they don't have an engine, they don't make noise. We have one, I don't think I've showed you guys on the channel, but we have one. I love it, it's fast, it just doesn't make any noise. Like you can be doing 100 and like the police, like you can go 100 past the police, they won't even look at you because there's no noise to be made, you know. But if a Scat Pack is doing 100, you can hear that V8 screaming, bro. And then they'll go pull you over. Not in a Tesla, bro. Trust. That bitch is on my ass, bro. Like, where's she going? Let me know, where's she going? I don't recommend holding the phone and driving. Yeah, the GoPro for some reason kept overheating. I'm not sure what the fucking reason was. About to exit, bro. Damn, okay. Let's see. But they don't want to play. They didn't want to play. I was like, you know what? Let's play. Let's see if they want to play, but they didn't want to play. They didn't want to play. I think it's a Corolla. I don't know. It says Apex on it. 6 Toyota or something. Look at the current gas mileage. 13 miles per gallon, doing over 100 here and there. So, I mean, it's not that bad. We'll go under the bridge, and then we'll see where we ended off. Let's see if you guys can hear it. That motherfucker was loud, bro. That motherfucker was screaming. Anytime under a tunnel, bro, I try to step on it if I have the opportunity to. We're about to go home, about to get something to eat. Yeah, we'll fuck with you guys later. Y'all take it easy. This has been Miguel, and I'm out. Deuces.